World on my shoulders, a heart full of blues, I'm in the dirt.
It's here. Let's open this box and see what's inside of it. Hopefully it's a Starlink. That's what it says anyway. Let's see what's in here. Oh, fancy packaging. Nice. Look at that packaging. That's plastic. Let's set that over here on this table. We got a base. More plastic. Cardboard, which looks like instructions. Looks simple enough. The router. Nice. Nice. And power cord to the router. Antenna. And regulatory notices. This must be the instructions. In a bunch of different languages. English right there. Oh, this is a product description. And more plastic. Well, I know that this goes in there. Wait a minute. Hold on a minute. Button. Open the slot. Forgot about the slot. There we go. Basically, it's plug and play. Got some holes to stick it down too. That's nice. There it is. Yeah. Hardly anything to it. Anyway, we're going to set it up out there in front of Honey. And because Desert Adventures in Arizona was here, I know where everything goes. But look at that. Hopefully that turns out. It is simple. Very, very simple. Alrighty, time to get busy. Okay, let's check and see what the speed is without the Starlink. This is on our hotspot. This is why we had so many problems with our live streams, I believe. But we didn't get much. And this was on our visible hotspot. This is the speed test. And you can see it's struggling really bad to get out of there. And now for the, what's this one? The upload speed. Hardly anything. 0.68 and 0.90. Can't really do a whole lot with that. That's why we had so much problem streaming on our live streams under the awning and that. So now let's take a look at what Starlink's doing now. Run the speed test. Here we go. Starlink. Look at the difference already. And this is not even hardwired in with an Ethernet cable. This is through the Wi-Fi on the Starlink router. We are getting ready to order the Ethernet adapter, which is about $25 through Starlink, and we're going to be wired directly then, which we should see speeds up over 200. And I don't know what the upload speeds would be. Haven't seen that yet. But look at the difference in that. Isn't that amazing? This is a game changer for us. Thank you for everybody that contributed to help us get this. Thank you very much. We're going to enjoy it.